discussing about a shift reduce a parser. It is one of the bottom parsing a technique. It is with the help of this we are parsing the given sentence, that is id plus id into id, with the help of a grammar productions or the grammar rules. Okay, and this I'll try to explain the shift reduce a parser with the help of this output screen. Okay, and these are the set of productions. Okay, we are working with, that is e tends to e plus e tends to e into e tends to e enclosed in a parenthesis, and the final production is e tends to id. Then we are that is, this is an input to the parser, that is the input string id plus id into id. Okay, and after that, okay, you are seeing a stack, input and action. Okay, these are the two important data structures used by the shift reduced parser, that is a stack and the input buffer. And you see the action column, we have got two main actions, that is shift action and the reduce action. These are the actions performed by the shift reduced parser, and along with that, okay, along with these two, it performs two more actions. One is accept and another one is error action. Okay, initially, now we'll see the parsing of the given input string by the shift reduce parser. Okay, see this input buffer, initially it is containing an input, a string to be parsed, and the stack is initially empty, it is containing only an dollar symbol. Okay, first it is going to parse, it always parses from left to right, an input string. Okay, the first that is, it is seeing a token, that is id. Okay, id is what it is pushed onto the stack. Okay, for that it executes which action, that is a shift action, shift id onto the stack, that is shown in the first row. Okay, what is the remaining input in the input buffer, that is plus id multiplied with the id. It is the remaining input present in the input buffer, and the first token is pushed onto the stack. Okay, it is shifted onto the stack, and that action is shown in the third column. Okay, next, after shifting an token onto the stack, it tries to match the content of stack with the right part of any of the production mentioned in the grammar. Okay, see, it tries to match id with the first grammar, it does not match, so it tries with the second grammar, and it tries with the third production. Finally, this id is matching with the fourth production, it is same as the right part of the fourth production, so it performs an reduction action. Okay, and that is shown in the second row in the action column. They see here the second row and the action, you see this action column, it is performing a reduction action, reduced to e. What is reduced to e? id is reduced to e because id is matching with the right part of the production. And what is the remaining input? Same, that is plus id into id. Okay, next, after that, it is a shifting and plus operator onto the stack. Okay, it performs again a shift, a symbol, shifting which symbol? Plus symbol onto the stack, that is the stack content is what? Now at the bottom it is containing a dollar, next after that it is containing e, and top of the stack is containing a plus. Okay, you see the third row and this. Next, after this, what is the remaining input? Remaining input is id into id. Next, after this, again it shifts, it performs a shift action, that is shift id, that is id is shifted onto the stack. Once the id is shifted onto the stack, okay, again next it performs an reduction operation. Okay, and you see the input column, the remaining input is what? That is asterisk id ended with a dollar sign is present in the input buffer. And next, id is what? This id, the topmost content of the stack, that is id, is reduced to e by executing an a reduction action by the parser. Okay, next after this again, that is e plus e is what it is present in the stack. Okay, and again it performs an reduction operation because e plus e is matching with the right part of the first production. So it performs an reduction action. What is the remaining input? Asterisk and id. Next again it performs an shift a symbol action, that is it is shifting and symbol, that is asterisk onto the, after reducing e plus e because it is matching with the right part of the production, it is reduced to e. After the reduction of operation or an action, again asterisk is the next symbol in the input buffer is shifted onto the stack. Okay, next again it shifts an id onto the stack. Then after that, after shifting an id onto the stack, it performs an reduction action. id is reduced to e. Finally e into e is reduced to e by executing an reduction operation. Okay, now finally, okay, the stack is containing the start symbol of the grammar, that is e, and the input buffer is empty. Once the input buffer is empty, at the same time if the stack is containing and start symbol of the given production, then we can say that the input string is accepted or passed by the shift reduce parser. Okay, that is done by executing an accept action. If this is not the case, then it is going to execute an error action. Okay, and this entire thing is implemented by using C program.